There can be no keener revelation in the society than the way in which it treats its children. A very cheerful morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, respected jury, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Aradhya Dikshit, a student of class 8 from AME City Girls High School. I feel myself fortunate that I am going to speak on a very important topic which is silently shaping our future: the causes and consequences of aggressive behavior in children, which is also a challenge that is faced by parents, teachers, and society as a whole. According to recent studies that shows aggression in children and adolescents is quite common. A short survey insight which was conducted in a small school among 100 students, 42% of them said they often feel angry because of their family and academic pressure. 35% of them admitted they copy aggressive behavior they see in cartoons, video games, or adults around them. 23% of them said they act aggressively when they feel left out, ignored, lonely, or bullied. Also, a parent survey reported that 61% of students aged 9 to 18 shows the sign of impatience and aggression related to excessive use of social media. So, this simple survey clearly shows us that aggression in children does not appear suddenly. It develops from the world they live in. Children are the mirror. They reflect what they see. If they witness constant argument, hard discipline, or even violence in the media, they often learn that it is the only way to express their feelings, or anger and fighting are normal. As the saying goes, children are great imitators, so give them something great to imitate. Aggression may seem very small in the beginning, but its effect can be long lasting. A child who uses anger to hide his pain may end up hiding from happiness too. Anger clouds the judgment and poisons the mind. It can not only affect your academic performance but also child's emotional growth. Our world teaches children to compete, to bring medals, to score high, and told them just to win, win, and win. And when they don't, when they fail, aggression grows and frustration becomes their outlet. But friends, every problem has a solution, and this one begins with love. We must guide before we lecture, we must listen before we judge. Parents and teachers must encourage their children to feel safe to express their feeling through art, conversation, or even writing. As great psychologist Ham Ginott once said, children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them makes an impression. Aggression is not just a behavior, it is an indication that child needs guidance, support, and understanding. As elders, as teachers, as caregivers, we must create an environment where children feel safe to express their feelings, be healthy, and learn copying from adults. And understand that kindness is better than anger. If we want our children to be better, we must better for them. Thank you everyone for your patience hearing.